Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Eno and I make videos on personal development and success principles. Now, in today's video, I'd like to talk to us on a very important topic I have titled How to Make Good Decisions in Life. I'm going to be sharing with us 6 tips on how you can improve your decision making skills, on how you can begin to make better decisions in your life and become a better person and a more productive person. You see, in life, many times we are faced with um, the need to make decisions. It could be decisions concerning our families, concerning our finances, our health, our business, our relationships, our education. You just name it. We are always faced with the need and the challenge to make decisions concerning different areas of our lives. So I will be showing us in this video some tips on how to improve your decision making skills. And going straight into the tips, number one is when you are faced with the need to make a decision, you have to learn from your past experiences. Now, when you want to make a decision, look at your past experiences, concerning that particular area of your life. Ask yourself, when you made similar decisions before, what was the result like? What was the outcome like? What happened? Try to, look within, because the idea with this point is your past is an asset to your future. You have to learn to use your past as an asset to guide your future in this regard. Because it could be maybe you want to make a decision about your family, about your marriage, about your relationship or your business. Ask yourself, when you made similar decisions in the past, what was the result like? This is important. So your past should help guide your present decisions so as not to make the same kind of mistake or errors which you made before. So it's so important. Learn to check your past experiences in that line of decision making. And the second thing you need to do is you need to learn to seek good advice from other people whom you consider to be better informed than yourself. People whom you look up to, people whom you consider to be wiser, or people whom you have respect for their sense of judgment. Learn to, put these things before them and seek for their counsel, seek for their advice, seek for their opinion. Not necessarily because you are not going to use your mind or your brain also, to evaluate the situation, but just so that you can get a second opinion or a better opinion. So you have to learn to seek advice from other people who, for some reason, are more experienced than yourself or have more experience than you have, and can give better advice and better counsel and help guide you in the right direction. And this has to be people who have your best interest at heart. It has to be people whom you know that have your best interest at heart, not just random people. So learn to seek good advice from others. This will help you also in making very good decisions. And the third thing you need to do is when you want to make a decision, you have to think in terms of consequences. Ask yourself, if I take this step, what will be the consequence or the consequences that will follow? You have to think in terms of consequences. You don't just take steps because it feels good to go that direction or it feels good to do that particular thing, but you have to think in terms of the consequences. So if I go to this direction, what will be the outcome? What are some of the things that will happen? Am I ready to handle the outcome? Is this the kind of outcome I want? You have to visualize, in your mind the possible consequences that will come as a result of the decision you will take. So you have to think in terms of consequences. It is so important. Try to, in your mind, visualize the end from where you are. Picture the end result and ask yourself if this is the kind of result that you want to have. So think in terms of consequences. And another thing you need to do is do not make decisions when you are angry. When you are in a state of when you are angry, to avoid making decisions because what is sure is that you will make rash decisions. You will make wrong decisions. You will make decisions that will lead to regrets later in future. So when you are angry, do not make decisions. Avoid making decisions when you are angry. Wait until when you are calm, when your mind is calm. You see, great decisions come from calm minds, not from minds that are raging inside and boiling with anger. So wait when you are calm, then you make a decision. Don't make decisions when you are angry. You are very likely to go the wrong direction if you make decisions when you're angry. And the fifth point I have for us is do not make decisions when you are afraid. Don't make decisions out of fear. Make decisions when you are in a stable situation mentally, when you're in a stable position mentally, emotionally. Don't make decisions out of fear. Any decision you make out of fear is likely going to turn out to be a wrong decision. So avoid making decisions out of fear. So if you are making a particular decision, ask yourself the question, why am I making the decision? Is it out of fear? Is it out of anger? If the answer is yes, do away with that decision. Wait until you can bring yourself emotionally to that state where you are completely out of fear and completely out of anger. And the last point I have for us today is that do not make decisions out of competition. Don't say, I want to buy a Ferrari just because such and such person has a Ferrari. Don't do it out of competition. Don't do it because you want to show to or prove to somebody that you can also, do the same thing that they have done. Don't make decisions out of competition. You have to understand that life is a personal race. Life is a personal journey. So run your race as an individual. Live your life on your own terms, facing your own journey. Don't live a life of competition. Don't live your life trying to prove something to others. So don't make decisions out of competition. Make decisions because they are convenient and they are the right decisions, for you. They are the right things for you. So I want to believe that these 6 tips will, as you apply them, will help improve on your decision making skills and they will help move you further in life and in destiny. And obviously, I will see you in the next video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and, share this video with your contacts. And until next time, keep winning, keep living the life of your dreams, and I'll see you at the top because that's where you belong. Have a great day.